When people think of investment, they envision stocks, real estate, and businesses. But today, we discuss a unique investment. One that remains stable during downturns and in both strong and weak economies. This investment shapes your future financial security. By the end of this video, you'll see that the biggest mistake is ignoring this powerful investment. What investing truly means. Investing isn't just putting money into something to grow. True investing enhances your ability to earn, keep, and multiply money. Some investments boost your bank account, others increase earning potential, and some ensure stability. The best investment achieves all three. Why traditional investments get attention? Stocks attract attention for high returns. Real estate feels secure because it's tangible. Cryptocurrency thrives on hype. These options can be thrilling but often come with risks. Markets fluctuate, and assets can lose value. Meanwhile, a powerful investment works quietly. It lacks online trends and flashy promises, so many overlook it. The most underrated investment is you. The best investment is investing in yourself. This includes your skills, knowledge, health, mindset, and adaptability. Every investment relies on you. Skills help recover losses. Knowledge aids in restarting after failure. Adaptability keeps you relevant in changing industries. Self-investment surpasses most assets. Stocks can plummet, property values can drop, businesses can fail. But skills grow. Once learned, valuable skills remain with you. A skill learned in your youth can pay returns for decades. The benefits of self-investment can be unlimited. Skills create income. Many chase money, believing it will enable self-investment. But investing in yourself leads to more income. Higher income reflects the value you provide. By improving your skills, your income often rises. The compound effect of knowledge. Knowledge compounds like interest. One book can shift your thinking. Improved thinking leads to better decisions, ultimately enhancing outcomes. Over time, knowledge can outperform many traditional investments. Why people avoid self-investment. Self-investment demands effort. There are no shortcuts. It requires time and discipline. Many choose quick returns over steady growth. But slow growth, based on skill development, is more reliable. Investing in high-value skills. Not all skills hold equal financial value. High-value skills solve problems, save time, or generate revenue. Focus on skills that enhance your earning potential. Consider two employees. One does the minimum, while the other seeks improvement. Over time, one becomes replaceable, while the other shines. Value leads to promotions and higher income. Self-investment is portable. Investing in yourself is portable. Your skills go with you across jobs, locations, and industries. No market crash erases your knowledge or experience. This makes self-investment one of the safest options. Health as a financial investment. Health influences earning capacity. Poor health incurs medical costs and reduces productivity. Good health habits safeguard your income and quality of life. Mindset as an investment. Your mindset affects how you handle risks and opportunities. A growth mindset fosters learning from mistakes. Financially savvy individuals recover quickly and view failures as lessons rather than endings. Mindset shapes every financial choice. How self-investment safer investments. Investing in yourself makes other investments safer. You gain better risk understanding and avoid scams. Self-investment sharpens decision-making and reduces costly errors. How to start self-investment. Begin with learning, read books, take courses, develop skills that align with your goals. Improve health habits to boost energy. Refine your mindset by surrounding yourself with positive influences. Consistency matters. Small daily improvements yield significant long-term benefits. In conclusion, money can be lost, markets can crash, and businesses can fail. But self-investment compounds for a lifetime. Your skills, knowledge, health, and mindset form the basis for lasting financial success. Before seeking the next big opportunity, focus on strengthening yourself. The best investment pays back for life. Subscribe to Money Matrix for more.